Hey y'all, today I'm making a white rice milk and avocado mash. So of course I'm starting off with white rice. Before I used black rice, but today I wanted to see how white rice treated my hair. So I'm just going to pour some in the pan, pour some water over it and let it boil until it's soft. And while that's boiling, I'm going to cut up the avocados. So it looks like I used about 2 avocados, and you just want to make sure they're brown like this, and just take out the brown spots inside, but your avocado should be greenish yellowish. So it looks like I only used 2 avocados, so I just blended them together just by themselves. I didn't add any water. Then I took out my nut milk bag strainer, which is a very fine strainer, very small hose, and it'll strain everything that would cause flakes in my hair. So that's what's left. So now the rice is almost done. It is boiling, so I'm going to take it off the stove, let it cool off for a little bit because I can't strain my rice while it's hot like this. Once it cooled down, I put some in the blender, added some water, and then I blended it up, and it has this consistency, so you want yours to look like this. So then I strained that blended stuff into the nut milk bag strainer. Sorry that I didn't show it, but I did strain that as well, and now I'm just mixing the two together, and you can see it's a very creamy consistency, and I just put them in the applicator bottle to apply it. So before I use the mask, I'm going to wash my hair. I'm using this Grow Secrets cream cleanser, and I think this is like the last bit of it. I've been using it for like a few routines now, but I think I used it all. So now I rinsed out my cleanser with warm water, and now it's time to apply the mask. Alright y'all, so I'm going to clip up my hair using my favorite clips. Alright, and now I'm going to separate the back. And here is the white rice milk / avocado mask. This hair not clipped up can get in the way. Alright, so let's apply it. So it smells nice. It definitely doesn't have a bad scent. So it's just smoothing right into my curls, like it's not sitting on top. It's smoothing right in. Yep, just smoothing right into the hair. These curls look so pretty back here. They're like perfectly clumped back there. And then you have the frizz section where it's like hard to detangle. It's super creamy, so creamy. It's creamy, but sinking, like soaking right into my hair. I think you can definitely detangle with this, but in my routines, I don't detangle during conditioning, just to keep my frizz down. Okay, the back is done, but I'm going to give it a little bit more attention. Need it. I'm going to smooth that in. Every time I use avocado in a hair mask, my hair usually comes out with way less frizz and more definition. The white rice milk definitely is treating my hair really nicely. It did have a stronger feeling, but it didn't have that hard feeling that white rice water leaves after you use it. And I am low porosity. My curls just ate this up. Notice how I don't have to wet my hair with water and drench it first. The mask already has enough water in it to drench my curls so they can soak in this mask. Curls getting like plump and bouncy right here, right here. They are improving. I'm so happy. And my shedded hairs are they're just like slipping out. You might have to apply yours in small sections like this for like the moisturized areas. All right, so I'm done applying it. So I would say let it sit for like 10 more minutes and then rinse it out with warm water. So yeah, I'm gonna come back after I do that. So I'm just wrapping up my hair with a towel. I just usually wrap it in the front and then secure it in the back. It smells so good. I love that scent. Like the avocado gives it like a light sweet scent, but it's natural. A light natural sweet scent. Okay. So these are the results. Nice. Almost frizz-free. Looks like a wash and go. One day I have to do like that mask and then like keep my hair like this and then just my hair will be a fuzz ball. But would y'all like to see that? I don't know if I want to feel that, but yeah. So these are the results. They're really nice. My hair is soft. It's not hard like how rice water would make my hair. The rice milk did not make my hair hard. And I am low porosity. I actually think I should do porosity. Oh yeah, you can see the curls. Like this is so pretty. Okay, all right y'all, so yeah, this is it. Now I'm gonna do some mini twists to get ready to do some extended full locks, 36-inch. Well, they're gonna be a little longer than that, but they are 36-inch straight out the pack. So yeah, if you wanna see that, just go to the next video. It'll be posted in the same week, but yeah. Thumbs up this video and I'll see you guys all in the next one.